Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be planning for the January 2018 monthly overview. And this is the first month in my new Erin Condren, and I am going to be planning in the neutral vertical. And so the only things that I have put in here so far, I'm going to just give you a little sneak peek, are my habit tracker, which is also by Planner Kate. And then I also put in monthly stickers on this box page. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to be doing with this, but I knew I wanted to maybe track, you know, things I have to do in the month. So like in January, I have to get my ring cleaned again. So stuff like that. And then another thing that I did was I went through the yearly pages and I put down like school vacation days. Birthdays are in this blue color. My anniversaries, this yellow dot. The last and first days of my work, so I work on a 10-month basis, are marked in the red. And so yeah, that's all I've really done. So let's flip back to January. In this planner, I'm going to be planning with, of course, Planner Kate. And so I picked up the monthly, I think that she calls this monthly sheet 1, and this is in the Teal Feathers kit. So this is kit 58F, and I will link everything down below. So this is the monthly page 1, and then the monthly page 2. So this is kit 58G. And then I also purchased these extra icons that were part of the new add-ons that she released in for the month of January. Okay, so this is the first time that I'm going to be planning in a monthly using a kit ever. So please bear with me if I make mistakes or fast forward stuff or anything, because I'm kind of nervous. But let's get started. I am going to be putting down, so let me just go over these sheets first with you. So we've got the big stickers up top, and then we've got the day of the weeks, and we've got some date dots, some appointment labels, some really cool script labels, so like payday, day off, no school, bill due, sick day, and then some cute appointment like little boxes. And then on the second sheet, this is the sidebar sticker, and then these mark off the days that are not in January. Then this is a full box. We've got some more basic labels, and then appointment labels and some more icons. So what I'm going to start with first is the day that is not in. So I'm going to start with this box, which is the top day that is not in January. Okay. And then I might as well put in this big longer strip down on the bottom here. I can't believe that I'm already, actually I think I'm gonna, flip my planner upside down. And actually, I think I'm just going to keep my planner upside down. So now I'm going to go in with the first day of the week strip. Yeah, I don't know. This is going to be... Okay, so now I'm going to put this big sticker up top. And I'm just going to kind of stick it in here. And then some weeks I will white out this page flag, and then other weeks I won't, or other months, sorry, not weeks. But since this color goes really well with this kit, I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, so now Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'm pretty sure this goes I think that looks pretty even. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, welcome to life, right? Okay. Okay, so now that we have, oh, and then I'm gonna put down this quite large sidebar sticker. Make sure you can see. There. Okay, so now we have all of the big stickers down. And I'm loving the way this looks. I love the colors. Oh, I'm so excited to use my monthly. Okay, so I'm looking at my, and actually I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so all I did was every planner kit sheet comes with removable washi on the side, and all I did was I took my paper trimmer and I cut it in half. So now I have kind of, you know, washi that matches the kit that's thinner. So if I have anything going on that goes over a span of time, which I do in the month of January, I can use this washi. So I'm gonna take out my little bookmark here to help cut the washi. Okay, so January 1st is New Year's Day and I don't have work. So I'm going to put, I think I'm going to mark it with a day off sticker, and I'm going to use one of these labels. I'm just going to take the navy. Oh, and that needs to be centered. Day off. Perfect. Okay, so the next thing, I have a payday, January 4th. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to take one of these. I'm going to take the other one too right away. And I'm going to center it on, or should I? No, I'll center it on the bottom. And then I'm going to take these two payday stickers. There, payday. Okay, so the next thing is my husband is traveling for work the 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th. And so I'm going to take this washi that I cut earlier, and that's what I'm going to use to mark that he's traveling. Here. And so I'm just going to take one of these smaller labels and I'm just going to put it right on top of that washi so that I remember to write that in, that he's traveling. And then I also have a doctor's appointment on the 15th. So I'm going to take one of these appointment labels and center it. And then there are some, or there's one kind of like stethoscope icon in the kit. So there, that'll be good. And then I'm going to, are having a baked potato event at my work. I think it's on the 17th. Yes. So I'm going to take one of the, like the more tealy color, put this together so I have an easier time. And there are some food. There we go. There, that lays a little bit better. There is a food fork and spoon icon. I'm going to use. So the 17th. And I think that's it for events. I want to mark my videos somehow. And then before I forget, I'm going to put this month over in the corner. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to have a plan with me go up. Just use these. January 1st. January 8th. And the 15th, the 22nd, and the 29th. That was over too far. Okay, and for that, I'm going to use these stars from the add-on sheet. There, good enough. And then I also do have a haul going live on the 18th. So I'm going to put in here. And then I'm pretty sure Planner Kate will have new releases the 26th. So I'm going to put that in using one of these. And I think I'm going to mark that using a little shopping cart icon. And then the haul I'm going to mark with a heart. Okay, so now I'm going to fast forward me putting down the date dots. So this is what my monthly looks like so far. I don't have a lot of stuff going on in January, which is great because December was a very busy month for myself and my family. So please go to my Instagram, it's linked down below, to see my month filled in. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Click to subscribe, and if you click the bell next to the subscribe button, you will get notified every time I post a video. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.